right, let's solve this question together. Now we are given 100 raised to square root of x equals to square root of 1000 raised to x. Okay, so let's go ahead as we change the right hand side. So we can write this one as 1000 raised to x all raised to half. Since a raised to half is same as square root of a. All right, so let's go ahead as we maintain this. So 100 raised to that. Okay, so let's go again. So this side will be 1000. So let's multiply. We have half x. Okay, all right, and this side will be 100 raised to with x. Now let's make the bases equal. We know 100 is the same as 10 to the power 2. Okay, and 1000 is the same as 10 to the power 3. Okay, times half x. Okay, sorry, this side is supposed to be 10 to the power 2 times the power here. So now let's equate the powers. So we have 2 root x, and this side will be 3x on 2. Let's make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. This time that we have 4 with x, and this time that will be 3x. So let's solve this. Now let's go ahead and square both sides just to get rid of the root sign here. So this side will be, so I'll square the 4 here, 16, and squaring this one will remove the root sign x. So this side will be 9x squared. So let's go ahead and arrange it. So we have 9x squared minus 16x equals to 0. Okay, so let's factorize x out. So taking x out will be 9x minus 16 equals to 0. So my first answer is x is equal to 0, or 9x minus 16 equals to 0. So solving this one will be 9x equals to 16. Therefore, x is 16 on 9. Okay, so let's verify if our answers are correct. Okay, so let's start with when x is equal to 0. So if I plug in 0 here, so 100, so x is 0. Okay, and I have square root of that 1000. So this side will be 100 to the power 0 because square root of 0 still remains 0. So we have this 1000. So any non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. And this side too will be 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So we have 1 equals to 1. Okay. 2. Let's plug in 16 on 9. So 100. So square root of this side will be square root of 16 on 9, which will be 4 on 3. Okay, 4 on 3. and this side, if I plug in 16 on 9, it will be 1000. 16 on 9 times, so let's multiply the root sign by, so the root sign will tend to half. Okay, so we have this. So let's solve. Okay, so let's solve if this one can satisfy the equation. So I can say 10 to the power 2 times 4 on 3. So this side will be 10 to the power 8 on 3. Now let's check the other side. So this side will be 10 to the power 3 times 16 on 9 times half. Okay, so 2 here 1, 2 here 8. Okay, 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So we have 10 to the power 8 on 3. Hence, it's satisfied. So that's it.